Hello my lovely people, you are welcome to my channel. Please, today is the first time you are come to across my channel. My name is Lady Tinted. You are welcome to Lady Tinted TV. Please don't fail to subscribe and press the bell in case anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first person to notify. Without wasting your time, there is issue that I want to just chook mouth a little bit. Please watch the video to the end, listen and drop your own opinion concerning this issue. So please, my lovely people, let me just put it in this way. Don't kill yourself because of anything in life. Don't kill yourself because of anything in life. Don't kill yourself, because there is a guy that killed himself because they refused to give him documents. This thing has been going on, but this one have already passed. But this issue, in case of some people that have that kind of mindset, that trying to kill yourself because they have not given you documents, not even only document, maybe you have not achieved what you wanted to achieve in life, you say you kill yourself. Is killing yourself is the issue? Is killing yourself, is that how you are going to achieve the thing? No. I know in a certain time, maybe you might think that my friends, we came this Europe together and maybe they have achieved their own document or one thing or the other. Maybe they are making mockery of you in one way or the other. I know so many people have bad mouth that they will say, we came together, maybe it's your bad hair, maybe it's this, maybe it's that. No, killing yourself is not the issue here. Okay, killing yourself is not the issue, is not the situation here. Please, my lovely people, don't kill yourself because of document. Because if you kill yourself, the document they are not still going to give to you. Even though they give the document to you when you have gone, you are not going to make use of it. Don't please somebody to displease yourself. Don't listen to whatever your friends might say about you that will warrant you to kill yourself, or your family member might say about you that will warrant you to kill yourself. No, life is turn by turn. Even though they have given you 2 or 3 times negative, if here did not favor you, maybe you can look for other places, because we have 3 European countries that you can even seek asylum. You can even seek asylum. If this one did not favor you, the other one might favor you. If the other one might not favor you, the other one might favor you. The other one might favor, because there's somebody I really know. Even when Italy rejected him for so many times, they didn't give him document, but he still put that giving negative. He still put it happy, and he went to other places, other European country. But when he was there, they called him that they have given you documents. Do you understand? Italy is a place that they normally give documents. If they have not given to you, that does not mean that you have a bad head or one thing or the other. Maybe with time, you still seek happy. You can even seek happy. You go to other European country, be waiting. Maybe they might call you. You might even find favor in that place. Please, my people, let's stop this. Because even when you are gone, people will say, they will say many things about you too. Who do you want to please? Don't please anybody. Let's assume, even though you don't have documents, you have to think what you passed through. What you passed through before coming here. Even the sea alone is something else. You will look back, you will look from, because there are many people that do not survive it, but God knows why He bring you here and you survive it. Now you want to use your own hand to kill your own self because of waiting, because of paper? No, it's not good. It's not good at all. It's not good. Please, let's stop this mindset. Let's stop this attitude of, if you have not achieved what your mate have already achieved, and you say, I will kill myself. Some will say, because my mate have achieved so long, they have built house, they have did it, they did that, I have not achieved, they will be laughing at me. Or maybe my mate have gotten married, my mate have had. Do you have mates? When you are coming to this world, you come alone. You don't have mates. You are the only one that can even give yourself joy in life. Nobody can give you joy. Nobody can give you joy. You are the only one that will give yourself that joy that you need. There is some certain people that we need to avoid in life. Anyone that you see that is not making you happy, that is making you bitter, you have to avoid that person. Anyone that you see that is not encouraging you, even when you have not given document, anytime you come close to that person, he'll be telling you it's because of, you know, if you go check yourself, why they never give you, because they don't give and they never give you. You want the insult, you want to use indirect. For him to encourage you, then you have to be patient, give you encouragement. He will be telling you the words that you will reach out, you will think, you use one week to think it. You have to avoid that person for now. There is certain thing that we avoid. When you see that your mate has started using indirectly to insult you because you have not achieved what they achieved, that does not mean that you hate them or you are not happy with them. But for you to be start thinking, because that is where the thinkness come. For you to be start thinking about yourself, looking down of yourself, you have to avoid them. When you achieve that thing that they achieve, you might even achieve it more than them. Then your victory will announce you. Your success will announce you. That is what I believe in life. That is what I believe in life. You kill yourself will not be the solution to anything in life. In any situation you are passing in life that you have not achieved it, you kill yourself will not be the situation, will not be the solution, I mean to say. Because there are many people in this Western world that don't even have paper, but they are still happy. They are still happy. There are people that don't even have anything, but they are still happy. Why can't you? There are people that even wanted to be here, to even live good life alone. Talk less of you that you are here. You are seeing good life. It's just the paper that is remaining. Why can't you be patient and be prayerful to God? It's not everybody that have paper. It's not everybody that will come and shine teeth that have paper. We all are suffering from this paper, but we don't want to care ourselves because we don't have paper. We will not care ourselves because we don't have paper. We will not do that. Let us be happy with ourselves. Let us be contented with little that we have. Let us not allow friends, family, neighbor, or whosoever to put us into. That is for that. Be happy with yourself. Be happy with yourself. I always say it, nobody will give you the joy that you deserve in life. You are the only one that can make yourself that happy. You are the only person that can do so. You are the only person that can do so. Please, let us stop this. People will say so many things that they came to Europe the same time with you. They have, you don't have. Be happy with them too. Be happy with them. Just be happy with them. That's it. Because you don't know what your family might be passing through for your action that you have already taken. You don't know what they will be passing through. Will you? That man or that woman you are trying to please, when you have gone, he will say so many things about you. Some people will say positive, some will say negative things. Some will say positive and some will say negative things. Despite that document or not document, all these things has been happening. In life, it's not good. When things is not working fine for you, killing yourself is not the issue right now. When things are not going well, you will find a way that, yes, you will try your best and leave the rest for God. You will try your best and leave the rest for God. I'm playing ball with my baby. You will try your best and leave the rest from God. Okay? Okay? Killing yourself is not the issue. Killing yourself is not the issue. Okay? Let us not allow people to make us to do what we're not supposed to do in life. No. Let us not do that. Let us not do that, please. Even you see that some people, when they are reaching the age to get married in life, so we see that your family member will say so many things in life, say so many things. They know that you are a failure. They know that you are this. No, keep them calm. By the time you achieve what you want to achieve, they will be the one to come and congratulate you too. They will be the one to come and congratulate you. Okay? They will be the one to come and congratulate you. That's it. Let us learn how to be happy with ourselves and avoid people that will make you think so bad. For now, when you have not achieved what you want to achieve, when they are making you to feel so inferior of yourself, to feel that is killing yourself is the only problem, avoid them. Avoid them. That does not mean that you are keeping malice with them. Maybe you are going to their house 2 times a month before start going once. For once, you start once in 3 months. From there, you start avoiding them. When you have achieved the thing that they are laughing you for, they will be the one to congratulate you. Hey, be careful. That is all about life. Okay? That is all about life. That is all about life. Please, my brother and sister in Western world, we know here is very, very difficult. It's very difficult for everybody. Back home, they will not understand. Most of them will not understand. But killing yourself is not the solution. Please, let us make ourselves happy. Document is not everything they will give. It's just a matter of time. If one place does not favor you, check another place. Before you check 1 to 3, you might see the one will favor you. If none of them favor you, gather money and do something for yourself. Just gather little by little, do something from yourself. When you go back home, you see that you achieve things for yourself. Nobody will ask you for document or no document. I come back to settle down because they see that you have already gathered something. We all come here for one purpose, from one reason. If you make it, you go back home and start doing little business you can do with your money. Nobody will say, hey, you didn't have document or this is that. Because there is hope. Because Bible says make us to know, say when there is life, there is hope. You killing yourself is not the solution of life. Killing yourself is not the solution of life, my lovely people. Let's stop it. Because it's not easy. It's not easy to pass through the desert, the sea, and God brought you here safe. You kill yourself because of one thing or the other. You kill yourself because of documents. You kill yourself because you have not achieved what your mate have achieved. You kill yourself because your mate is working. You have not yet get your own work. You kill yourself because your mate get married. You have not married. You kill yourself because your mate have children you don't have. No. Are you the God that creates yourself? Everything gets your own time. Your time might not be my time. My time might not be your time. That is it. Your time might not be my time, and my time might not be your time. Please, let's learn how to avoid people that will make us to do so many things like that. Let's avoid people that like make us feel inferior to ourselves, like we are not serious. We have been in Europe, we are not serious, we are not achieve anything. Let's avoid them right now. When we achieve something, our victory will announce us. That is the only way you can give yourself happiness. If you see that anytime you call, either home or your friend or anywhere, you see that, you call them, they don't even ask you, have you eaten? How is you faring? This is that. They only start saying, hey, you have not still achieved something since you've been in Europe. No, nothing. Your bad head, they smell, they follow you. They will, my brother, my sister, avoid them for now. Don't quarrel with anybody. Just use brain and avoid. It's your brain you use to avoid. Okay? Go and bring the ball. It's your brain you use to avoid. Please. Because when you kill yourself, if they too think of you, yes, they don't forget. If they too love you, they will, especially when you kill yourself by yourself, they will still say bad thing of you. Have you seen the thing that we are talking about? Please, it's not easy. But with God, all things are possible. Let us be patient and be happy in life. Everything is going to be well with us in Jesus' name. Thank you, my lovely people. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support. May God bless you. Let's keep safe and, you know, be happy with ourselves. There is no condition permanent in life. It's just a matter of time, my people. Bye-bye for now. I love you. God love you most. Bye.